kung sakali po bang may implement ito ng DOE, dapat po ba maging weekly yung unbundling report ng mga oil companies? Kasi every week nagbabago po yung presyo eh.
Well, dapat yan. Dapat July, middle of last year. Dapat nagsimula na sila ng unbundling ngayon eh. No, nag-unbundling na sana agad sila. Nung nagkaroon na ng decision yan, dapat ginawa na agad nila yan. Para at least na pag-aralan, ano ba talaga ang composition ng presyo.
Oo.
If the price is 100%, for example, what is the product price? What is the insurance price? What's the evaporation or transit loss? Lahat ng composition na yun, malaman what is the distribution cost, what is the profit, and so on and so forth.
Pero sir, your suggestion, it should be weekly kasi linggo-linggo nagbabago. Paano po?
Hindi ko naman weekly. That has to be everyday people. There is a department that is watching that. No? There is a section, there is this person in charge of monitoring the international price. No? So, yung international price, yung monitor, dapat magkaroon ng formula yon. Siguro, sa aking pananaw, kung ako mag-monitor yung price, 100%. If the product price, for example, is 50%, no? Assuming 50%, then pag gumalaw sa international market, how will it affect the 100%? No? Yung ganun. Katulad ngayon, how would it affect, let's say, katulad ngayon, charter vessel, sa mga chartering ng mga tankers, kung nagtaas yan, how it will affect the transport cost, how it will influence the total price. So, makuha na natin yan. There should be an application or a formula that should be monitoring that. Kung alam mo na kung tama yung base cost o base price mo.
Opo. Pero sir, the unbundling computation nga po, hindi kasi pwede itong weekly eh. Ganun ka-komplikado ito. So more or less, sa inyo po bang memorandum circular nga? Kasi ang pinagbabasehan po ninyo dito, yung nagdaang taon, no? Mayroon kayong petsang binabanggit dito. Pero kayo po, ano sa palagay ninyo? Ito ba ay annual ba ito na unbundling na computation or biannual? Paano po?
I'm sorry, Ted, no? The moment you have an unbundled price, the moment that you have a base price, alam mo na ngayon, yung sinasabi ko, the moment alam mo na kung anong presyo na yan, if let's say 120 is the price of diesel, alam mo na ang composition na yan, nandiyan na yan sa table mo. And the people of DOE will be able to monitor kung may abnormal movement, kung may pumapasok na mali. So makuha na yun basta as long as you have a correct base price. Kung nandiyan na yun, alam mo na yun, hindi na kailangan mag-bundle ng every week, every year. It has to be monitored as part of the duty of anybody that is sitting there. Must see to it that it's
action. Sige po. And lastly po, Sec, yung katwiran po ng oil companies na hindi you are revealing the trade secret of the oil company, kaya ayaw nila nito.
Yun lagi. Siyempre, yun ang lagi ang naman yan no? Expected naman yan. They have to keep it. What of the total, if let's say that is 120, how many percent is profit? So, ayaw din nila yan. No? How many percent is distribution cost? How many is an advertising and so on and so forth? So, ayaw nila yan. But people deserve to know ano ba talaga ang composition because that is an essential commodity na hindi naman available and walang may option ng tao. Ang option is not to use, diba?
Mga kapatid, para sa iba pang mga balita at impormasyon, sundan niyo po kami sa X, Instagram, Facebook at syempre sa TikTok, True Network PH. Mag-subscribe din po kayo sa aming YouTube channel, True Network. May website din po tayo, truenetwork.ph. At pwede nyo rin po kaming mapanood sa Channel 19 ng aming True FM TV. Lagi pa rin makinig sa radyo dito po sa 105.9 True FM dahil dito, laging true sa'yo, kapatid.
Dito tayo sa totoo, tunay at tapat.